welcome to my channel. On this video today, I'm going to be heading to Vernon, BC, Canada to purchase the next project that I'm going to be keeping in the garage. I'm working on a build behind me here. You guys can check out the build series on that right here if you click the link. And once I'm done this build, then I'm going to have to be starting a new one. So I found it unexpectedly. I was browsing the internet and this bike came up and I couldn't turn it down. So spur of the moment, I jumped in my truck and I went and picked it up so I could sit on it for when I'm ready. So why don't you guys come and join me on the journey? Little funny fact here, this is my third time coming to Kamloops to buy a Harley, or near Kamloops. Vernon's just about an hour outside. I don't know what it is with this area, but all the last 3 Dynas I've purchased have come from this area. So on my way to grab this new street bob. Okay, she's all loaded up. There it is. Oh man, I'm stoked. I feel like I scored another one here. This bike is in amazing condition. He was the first owner, bought it brand new, and it was sad to let it go, but he's not working right now because of the virus, and I offered him what he was asking for it, so I wasn't gonna beat him up on his price, and I think it was fair deal for both parties. He was happy, I was happy. He gave me the whole back of the cab of my truck is loaded with parts. Like, I don't even know what's in those boxes yet. We're gonna find out. When I get home, I'll unload everything and I'll show you guys exactly what he gave. But I'm stoked on this bike. I might keep this one for me. I say I'm gonna sell it, but it's so hard sometimes. This one I really like. But I said that on the last bike and the one before that, so who really knows what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna let it all play out. So we'll just find out when the time comes, when I start working on it, what I do with it. Okay, back in Squamish. Gonna start unloading all these parts. Okay. This is all what came with the 2009 Street Bob. I like these. These are smaller bags. they're not as big and bulky. So I'm stoked on those. I'm gonna keep those for sure. I can't even tell you how many of these I have. Not so much use for the double seat. Chain guard, we'll be using that. I like this license plate cover. I can powder coat that, do the bolts different colors, so that's a cool feature. I keep a hand on that. Love getting the manuals. This is stock exhaust off the bike, so right when he bought it from Harley Davidson, it automatically got upgraded to stage 2, so this exhaust has never been used. Maybe just to idle, so it's good to just have it for if I want to build another bike or I need newer exhaust. I haven't seen in here. So an additional side clip on the shrouds. That's the stock air cleaner, stock pegs, and some lighting. This is neat. Screaming Eagle Harley Davidson. Use that for something. Got the baffles. Different ones there, and there's even some more in here as well. Got the back seat. Usually I'll sell this. I sell a lot of these parts, so they're good to put back towards the build. So I'll be selling that. I got three of these now. I'll post some of this stuff for sale, and the rest I'll keep for parts and powder coat some things and use them for something else. All right, let's get this bike unloaded.